Good evening and welcome to the Vegetarian Festival here in Phuket 2024. So first we're going to start off with a little bit of a background information on the origins of the festival. It's commonly believed that the festival came about because of a wandering Chinese opera group who were performing on the island but became seriously ill with malaria. The group decided to pray to the 9 emperor gods for forgiveness, strength and health while adhering to a strict vegetarian diet to ensure purification of the body and mind. To everyone's amazement, the group survived and a big celebration was held. Subsequently, the festival has grown and developed into a unique yearly event, celebrating the Thai-Chinese belief that abstaining from meat, fish, eggs and other various stimulants during the 9th lunar month of the Chinese calendar will help obtain good health and peace of mind. Today is a Wednesday, the 2nd of October, and this marks the start of the Vegetarian Festival. This is a unique festival that you will only find here in Phuket, and there's nothing quite like it anywhere else in the world. So what we've seen today is the raising of the Go Teng pole, which signifies to the gods that the doorway is open. Currently I'm here in Saphan Hin. This is believed to be the entrance point for the gods to make their way down to our earthly plane. Hello. Got a cab? Now, of course, as the name suggests, Phuket's Vegetarian Festival is a food festival. And yes, it is a vegetarian stroke vegan festival. You're not going to find any meat at this festival. However, they do have some items that are very tempting indeed. And some of the food that you will see is made to look like meat. So a lot of the food here at the Vegetarian Festival is made from soybean and also a soy protein, which is what we have in front here. Now, being the opening day, of course, not everything is fully set up. I was out this morning doing some filming and this area here was completely empty. So in the last few hours, it has filled up quite significantly. Swadee Krab. Good evening. Popcorn. Yeah. You having this, are you, Nat? Okay, looks like Nat's found something to eat. What are these, Nat? Huh? Jijo. Okay. Sesame seed, hard to describe.
Have the yellow bean inside.
Have the yellow bean
and
inside.
The black bean,
Yeah.
and sweet bean.
And sweet bean, yeah, they're really nice. Okay, I'm going to get Nat to break one of these open in a moment so you can have a look inside and see what they are, because they're a little bit hard to describe exactly what they are, and then they can get an idea of exactly the texture. They're basically like a batter filled with a lot of air and a custard. They're very, very nice. Good? Well, let me have a try. Okay. Oh, you can taste the sesame seeds straight away. Oh, that's nice. Mm-hmm. Which one is this one? The sweet one. The sweet one is delicious. Very hot, mine. Oh. Now, as we were walking around, I noticed one of the vendors selling dim sum down here, so there'll be the vegetable version of them, but I do like dim sum, especially in the evening. But dim sum is actually quite hard to find at night time. So that's what I'm going to be having in a moment. Nat's enjoying, what they called again, Nat?
Jijo.
Jijo. Okay.
Huh?
Jijo.
Jijo.
Ah, Jijo. Jijo. Okay. Actually, those are nice. So, this is what I'm going to be having because I like the dim sum, and I also like these buns as well. Okay, Nat, can I have some of the dim sum, please? You can see on there the fillings. So we've got steamed custard, taro, purple sweet potato, red pork, which is one of my favourites. Obviously tonight it won't be the pork, it'll be a soy substitute of some sort, but made to taste similar to the red pork. Minced pork. Normally I have the red pork, the barbecued red. Yes, please. Got to have the sauce on it, and black bean. So quite a good choice on the steamed buns. Okay, so let's give you a little bit of a close-up. That's the dragon just gone past there, hit the back of the truck. He'll be dancing away soon. So this is the vegetarian version of dim sum. Oh, that sauce is nice. Oh, really nice, those are. Quite surprised. Now, I know what you're thinking. Vegetarian festival, vegetarian food, very bland, very boring. But actually, you might be surprised because the sauces add a lot of flavour to the actual food itself. Those are nice. Those are really nice. Thumbs up for the dim sum. You want to try? Well, I have to say that dim sum was really good. The sauce, just beautiful. The flavour, a little bit fruity on the sauce. Very, very nice. Not too spicy. Nat's still eating sesame balls. We are currently looking for some fried mushrooms. I'm going to have a spring roll. Oh, got some peanuts going on there as well. Oh, nice. Cotton cap, thank you. In here we have some fried mushrooms and some spring rolls. It's been coated with their sauce and also some peanuts. Oh, that is really crunchy and crispy. I love peanuts, so I'm in heaven there. That is really good. Again, You must have it with the sauce because the sauce gives it even more flavour. The sauce is delicious, not too spicy. The spring rolls are really good as well. Now I know what you're thinking, all fried food. Maybe tonight, all fried food, but not every night, as you will see. Take a look at that. So that has got the Vegetarian Festival 2024 underway. Let's see what else we can find.